All right, YouTube, check it out, man. As y'all can see, we got the Suprent vinyl dual coil vector motor hair clipper and trimmer combo right here. I did do a quick unboxing on this a couple weeks ago. Hope y'all saw the video. If y'all didn't, y'all make sure to check it out. But we're actually gonna look at everything else that comes in this box, and then I'm gonna show y'all a couple clips of me using this clipper, and then I'm gonna let y'all know what I think about it. So without further ado, let's jump into this video.
Damn it, Tito. Another one? Damn it, Tito. Another one?
All right, so once again, here is the Suprent vinyl dual coil trimmer and clipper. 12,000 RPM dual coil vector motor, auto intelligent detector, detachable stylish deep tooth blade, zero gap adjustable blades. So that's what it says on the back. Check it out, the vinyl. Let's go ahead and get this out of here. Like I said, I did a quick unboxing on this a couple weeks ago. Hope y'all saw that video. But like I said, we actually gonna be diving a little deeper in this box here in a minute, and then I'm gonna let y'all know what I think about the Suprent vinyl clipper and trimmer. Let's keep it a buck. Looks like the Stylecraft Instinct. That's the clipper. For it to be a vector motor, it sounds pretty quiet. Here's the trimmer. Trimmer's a little loud, but nonetheless, I say a little loud, not too loud, but you know what I'm saying. But that's the clipper and the trimmer. Let me go ahead and open up this box a little further so y'all can see what else comes in here. So we do get the manual that you know your boy don't ever look at. We do get 2 charging docks, as y'all can see here, one for the clipper and one for the trimmer. Let me show y'all the charging docks right here. So we get 2 charging docks, pretty identical. They might be the same actual charging dock. We get 1 USB-C cord, which they would have gave us 2, but you get 1. And then we get this little box. Let's see what comes in this box. So in this box, we get a Suprent screwdriver. We get some clipper oil. We do get another USB-C clipper, or I'm sorry, not clipper, USB-C cord. We get a fade brush. Man, they come in with everything in here. You get some guards, and then some more guards. So basically the only thing you don't get is an actual charging brick, but most of us have those on our station already, or we have power docks or power cords that you can plug a USB or USB-C into. So that's the only thing that I think they could have gave us that would have made this a little better, right? But nonetheless, you get everything you need in this package right here. 2 USB-C cords, 2 charging docks, guards, some oil, you know, a brush. Everything you need is there in that box. So once again, here are the charging docks. I'm gonna go ahead and put the tools on here so y'all can check it out. Check it out. The Suprent vinyl clipper and trimmer. Take that out right there. With the charging docks, USB-C charging. You can USB-C charge in the back. The clipper and trimmer is USB-C charging as well. But that's basically everything that comes in the box. Like I said, you get everything that you need from a clipper inside of the box. So we don't really need anything else. So it comes with everything that you need. But now that we got the unboxing out of the way, I want to go ahead and start talking to y'all about these tools and let y'all know what I think about these tools, right?
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
So first, we're gonna start talking about the trimmer. Check it out. Here is the trimmer. As you can see, we do have, I don't know what type of blade this is, but we got that blade on the Suprent trimmer. Check out the ergonomics of it. Not gonna lie, once again, looks pretty similar to the Stylecraft Instinct clipper and trimmer, but I'm not here to knock it. I'm just letting y'all know what I think. The colorway is unique. We got like a bronze, copper, and like a maroonish type casing on it. Different style, different colors for sure. Haven't seen these on clippers before, at least I haven't. Since it is a vector motor, it is gonna be a little louder as y'all can hear. Ergonomics of this tool, pretty good. Like I said, kind of reminds me of the Instinct trimmer, just a little thinner. So if you like smaller trimmers, this one may fit your hands a little better. As y'all can see, we can see the internals of the trimmer right there. And I don't know if y'all can see it, but when you turn it on, those things right above the coils kind of move. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's that. Like I said, on and off switch right here, USB-C charging at the bottom. Now, as far as the performance of this, I think this thing balls out pretty good. You know what I'm saying? Not the best at balding out. I haven't zero gapped it. I don't even know if you can zero gap it, but I have not balded. I have not zero gapped this tool, and it's not really gapped. Looking at the blade now, it could be gapped a little closer. So you can probably take this off and zero gap it. But it balls out okay, right? Like it gets the hair down. It just wasn't as short as I would like. Now, when it came to lining up, it didn't line up that good for me. Not that it didn't line up, it just didn't line up as good as I would have liked. Still got the job done. You can still work with this tool. Like I said, if you zero gap it, most likely it's gonna work a little better for you, right? So if you zero gap the tool may work a little better for you. Just for me, I wasn't the biggest fan of the trimmer. But nonetheless, still works. Great combo though, you know what I'm saying? For a combo deal, that's only $186.99 on the website right now. That's clipper and trimmer. So like for a combo deal, you can't beat that, you know what I'm saying? Less than $200, you get a trimmer and a clipper. So nonetheless, good deal. Just, I feel that this trimmer could work a little better as far as the blade on it. But other than that, I think it works fine. And I think if you can mod this and put another blade, or if another blade fits on here, I bet you this thing will work really well, right? But now we're gonna move on talking about the vinyl clipper. Now, let y'all hear the clicks. I don't know if y'all can tell, but the clicks are so smooth on this clipper, right? Really smooth. Like the blade on it. Check out the blade. That is the blade that comes on the clipper. Like the body style, I just wish it was, it's a little too long for me. Not saying that it's too long, it's just when I grab it, it just reminds me a lot of the Instinct. So it's longer than the Instinct, so it's kind of weird for me. But nonetheless, you know what I'm saying, still feels comfortable in hand, still got the grooves in the back to make it ergonomically rounded for y'all, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, like the clicks on it. As you can see, we got a nice blade on it. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on for y'all. So for a vector motor, as of right now, I think this thing is pretty quiet. You know what I'm saying? It's probably one of the quieter vector motor clippers. At least, maybe I got to take it to the shop and compare them. I'll probably do that in another video. But it does sound pretty quiet. Now, I do like the way this thing cut. It did cut good. I did a couple haircuts with it. Every time I used it, it just did what I needed the clipper to do. You know what I'm saying? It faded well, debulked well, detailed well. Like I said, anything I needed to do with this clipper, I got done. I think out of this combo, I think the clipper is probably the better of the tools. Once again, not saying the trimmer is horrible, just not my favorite trimmer for lining up. But the clipper, on the other hand, it's a good tool. You know what I'm saying? I liked using it, enjoyed using it. And like I said, it did everything I needed it to do to get the job done. And that's really all that matters when it comes to a clipper and trimmer, right? So for $186.99, I think this is, this combo is a good deal, especially for those new barbers coming into the game. Don't want to spend an arm and leg on their tools. This one may be a good option for you if that's the route you want to go. If you don't want to go like the Stylecraft, the Gamma, the Andis, the Wall, the Babyliss, whatever, if you want to go one of these routes, go right ahead. More power to you. This tool works great, especially for a budget style clipper. Now, when you turn this thing on, you can see, well, I don't know if y'all can see it on camera, but you can see how much power is left. It does say 82% power, and it says the same thing on the trimmer. I got 91% on there, but you can actually see how much charge time or how much charge the clipper and trimmer still have. I think that's pretty dope, you know what I'm saying? Some people will say that's cheap. I think that's pretty dope though. You kind of could see, you know what I'm saying, how much more damage, quote unquote, you can do with this tool, right? But like I said, all in all, I think the clipper is a well-rounded clipper, debulks well, fades well, details well, does everything needed to do, really good. The blade, like I said, I like the blade. It is kind of like to be honest, like a Vapor blade. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it kind of reminds me of the Vapor blade. So good blade, right? But yeah, man, all in all, $186.99. It is a good deal for this combo clipper and trimmer from Suprent. You can check them out. I will leave the link down in the description, so y'all make sure to check it out. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.